Hi guys, welcome back to our new episode. We are gonna make an amazing sandwich here in the heart of Transylvania. So stay comfy, relax, and detach yourself from the daily hustle. We start by cleaning and dicing a white onion. We continue by slicing another one, because we will use it along with the vegetables. For the exact amount, check the description below. When done, we proceed by slicing some green and red peppers. We continue by cleaning and crushing a few cloves of garlic. We add the crushed garlic to our ground pork, followed by the diced onion, and we season with salt, ground pepper, and smoked paprika. We mix everything well together. Our minced pork is ready. So we will make this cylinder shape filled with the sliced cheese. For best results, try to seal it well. We let them rest on a tray for a few minutes. We always use some oil to be sure they don't stick together. The prep is done, so we start cooking. In a hot cast iron pan, we add some oil, followed by the onions and the red and green peppers that we sliced earlier. We season with salt and ground pepper. Last, we add a touch of water to be sure they get tender. While we wait for the vegetables, we start cooking the meat. We grill it on all sides. The meat is not thick, so it takes just a few minutes. Our vegetables look amazing, but we spice them up with a creamy balsamic vinegar. The rest is straightforward. We add the vegetables, followed by the jalapenos, and last the meat. This is the best rustic sandwich that we ever made. Try it out and let us know what you think. If you enjoyed our video, then feel free to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. It is free and it helps us a lot. See you on the next one.